Hi there, it's Sanderson Jones from the Sunday Assembly. At the end of June, I'm going to the US to meet loads of awesome local activists who want to have their own assembly. And I was thinking, what was the best place that we could have an assembly to show that, you know, we're all about bringing people together.
Hello, and thank you for calling the Westboro Baptist Church. If you are calling about gay rights, press 6. If you call you are heading straight to hell. God hates fags. God hates you. Obey your God.
It seems that they only let you have one phone call, which is a little bit unfair. So, we are going to ring on Skype. Do you only get one shot to ring these guys? Well, that didn't work. But I still reckon that we should have a Sunday Assembly in the States. So on June the 30th, we're going to be in New York so that we can have a wonderful godless congregation that celebrates life. I'm a coconut, and I'm delighted to be going to the Sunday Assembly. I hear it's super fun.